Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies from the government engineering colleges under science and technology department from the government of Bihar and announced from the Bihar Public Service Commission. So these vacant positions are for the mathematics department. The total 126 vacant positions are there. So if you are not belongs to the mathematics department, then please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to mathematics department. Then it will be very much helpful to them, guys, because it will be a wonderful opportunity to you guys who belongs to the mathematics department. And after entering into the official website of this Bihar Public Service Commission, here you can see the important notice, advertisement and instructions for applying online for the post of assistant professor mathematics and government engineering colleges under science and technology department, government of Bihar. So first I will show you the notice. Click on this one, then you will be directed to the notice here. So in this notice they mentioned that the total 126 posts are there and the starting date is the 12th October 2020, and coming to the last date for the online registration is 11th November 2020, and the last date for sending the hard copies is 18th November 2020, evening 5 o'clock. And here the website is given to know the more details about this one, but I will take you to the main notice. See guys, so it is the main notice here. The total 126 posts are there, and based upon the caste categories, here the posts are divided, so you can check down. Fine. And here the total weightage is the 100 marks. So how they are going to take the 100 marks for the selection purposes: academic record and the research performance, the weightage will be 20 marks. So, and these 20 marks are divided into 10 plus 5 plus 5. 10 marks maximum for the 10% of percentage marks got in the MSc or MA in relevant branch or subject, and the maximum 5, that is 5% marks obtained in the BSc and the BA, and 5 marks from the PhD. Okay, so without PhD also you can apply here, not a problem. And coming to the remaining 40 marks, evaluation of domain knowledge and teaching skill through the written test. So by conducting the written test, they are going to give the 40 marks here. And for science and humanities, the syllabus for the written test will be just like the UGC NET exam, and remaining 15 marks for the interview, and the 25 marks for the assistant professor engaged on the contract basis. Fine. So here you can see that weightage to the candidates working on the contract basis on the post of assistant professor under Department of Science and Technology possessing minimum eligibility at the rate 5 marks per year. So maximum 25 marks will be there. Fine. And coming to the eligibility and all, so here UGC NET or the PhD is not mandatory. So if you don't have the NET or the PhD or the SLET anything, then try to apply this one, guys. Fine. But if you are having the post graduation with the UGC NET qualification, then it will be a wonderful opportunity to all of you guys. So please apply to this one and utilize this opportunity, guys. Okay. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to the mathematics department and interested in this one. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is specially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profile link, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET electronic science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET electronic science. Thank you, guys.